Sarah and I used to hike like this all the time. I wouldn't say it was her favorite thing. She wasn't a fan of the mosquitoes and such. But she was a big climber. Or scamper. That's probably the right word. That girl, she'd see a big rock and just... She would have liked you. I meant to say, the two of you are the same.